This is my house, this is my handbag, and my dad's bought me a new car. It's a Fiat 500. I've actually driven one before, rental car in Spain, bro. I don't even get why girls like them. This looks so ass. Like I'm just not feeling it. It's just like a little pod, bro.
Yeah.
And on top of that, the inside looks like a, you know a microwave or a fridge in them old houses. Looking at one fridge, bro. Where the hell should I put it? Oh, we've got red interior. Red and cream makes me cream. Look, the car's coming like one fridge. You know those old school fridges that have that style, and it's got these handles as well. Oh,
It even has pops and bangs like low RPMs.
I can't believe I've been a Fiat 500. What? So 1.2, about 70 horsepower.
70 horsepower, I believe.
And how do I launch it?
Because put it in gear.
Okay, so in gear one.
Hold the clutch all the way down.
Yeah, it is.
Mash the throttle. Handbrake off. Let go of the clutch.
That's fully got a launch control. Wait, just this one or all of them?
I'm not too sure.
Is that even a launch control? Is that not just a clutch dump? Oh no, but it holds the revs for me, innit?
Yeah.
Yo, why is the
no, the Turismo, right? The 595.
No. Why has the Fiat 500 got a launch control,
yeah,
bro?
It's stupid.
How do I put the seat back a bit? The tilt.
Tilt. There's a knob here.
You're a knob.
There.
This looks sus on video, that, bro. Elbow deleting the Fiat 500. Oh, it handles nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, they do handle really, really good.
They're filly. You've got your glass. That's not an opening one, is it? No. But it's still good.
I mean, you've got a little cover.
When you turn it on, there's your AC. Look, coming like the cooker.
I've noticed the seat does sort of sit a little bit to the left.
What do you mean?
They all sort of face the left a little bit, so you're never actually sitting straight.
The seat bait. Are you being serious?
Yeah. The seat, if you actually try and sit just straight.
You gotta be a perfectionist to notice that. As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. So this is what all like the Molly May girlies and the aesthetic girlies, this is like their dream. Is what I'm doing right now.
Yep. This bit's colour match for the car. So if you get a blue one, that's blue.
Oh, what, and all of them, they have their own. Oh, that's sick. That's nice. Not as nice as this. You know, I never bought and sold these because I always thought the girlies that come to buy them, they always bring their dad. He's an ex-MOTer. And he does his 900-point check.
You can buy them off Facebook, decent-ish for like £1,000. That's nice.
Some nice cars out today, innit? Shame we're in the TikTok. But it don't matter.
At the start, I did call it the Ninky Nonk.
The Ninky Nonk?
Yeah.
Yo! Do you see him? He didn't even look. Yo, oh, I bet his insurance is £2.50 a year, mate. Yeah. Fuck off. Oh, this handle's very nice.
They do handle really good.
No, it actually does. Yeah. Considering it's windy as well.
Yeah.
It's not really blowing us about.
To throw you about more, but it just hooks.
It could do with some buckets, can't it? But other than that, yo, this is, what's that noise? I thought it was someone practicing recorder in the back, bro. This is what the aesthetic girlies are chasing, innit? They're B-road bashing, aren't they? While the car scene are bashing to the drivers, the actual drivers are bashing to the roads, bro. 5 speed, yeah?
Yeah, 5.
Nearly whacked it in reverse.
Compared to a Yaris, we saying?
No, don't even compare it to my baby, bro. Don't bring my child into this. I would say, I don't know, I've not really driven this enough. It surprised me, I'm not gonna lie though, it's not that slow.
They're quicker than what people think.
No, they are actually quicker than what people think. Now that I've seen that.
They just weigh nothing.
But you know why people think that? It's because of the type of people who drive them, innit? So they just automatically, because they drive slow.
Teenage girls, old men or old women.
Exactly.
Right.
So they're being driven slow, innit?
Yeah.
You put your foot down and anything can surprise you. But the car being this light, I weren't expecting it to drive like this. Well, I want to try the Abarth now. For first time trying a stock 500. It's actually alright, you know. Honestly, everything I consider is about the price. Most people don't do that, but I do. For the money you're paying, this is a good car. Oh. I don't know, the only thing that lets it down is probably the reliability though, innit? Have you had any electric issues?
No. Apart from my airbag light coming on every now and then, but...
Oh, mine are, but we're not going to use the airbag. Airbags are fake anyway, they just manifest a crash. Oh, what am I doing in the 500, bro? Sounds alright, doesn't it, for a 1.2? 1.2 4-cylinder. So... So this is what the girlies be doing, yeah. Oh, should we get matcha?
I'll get a iced caramel frap from Starbucks.
I'm gonna get a matcha, you get the frap.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel like my name's Olivia. Yo, I'm feeling your 500, bro. So what do you reckon it's giving me? 2 mpg?
About 5.
Engine's working hard though, innit?
Now.
Yo, boys, we've got it all right out in Fiat 500s. I'm not gonna lie, we've all got a cop one.
No, this is the lowest power variant you can get.
Oh, where's my lip gloss? I'm gonna whack it right. Actually, not here, because the villagers are asleep in it. We've got to be respectful.
We've got to respect the villagers.
Oh, but bloody hell, do we look respectful today? We've all, look at us. We're just like, people are going to be smiling at me when I'm driving this. Yo, I'm catfishing right about now. People are all going to be looking in. They're going to be expecting a little blondie. They're going to look in, they're going to see a big brown guy with a camera on his head. Catching them out. It even looks like a microwave. Sounds like the microwave. Sounds like an air fryer. What does that do?
That. Okay, so you know how light the power steering already is? Drop it below 30.
Okay, we're doing 32.
If I put that on,
What's it now?
makes it even lighter.
Oh, bloody hell, look at me now. Do it again, do another one.
Alright, so that's normal.
This is normal.
Yeah, that's normal.
This feels like, what, is this what it was on before?
Yeah, you can change the...
These are nice.
So the sport models have the sport button, which makes it heavier and the front response better.
You're going to have a little Abarth going in, innit? With just a little OBD, bro.
My whole plan originally was to make this an Abarth wreck.
How comes you love the Fiat 500 shape so much? Is that a bit of you?
I drove it, can fit in any space.
It's made for Rome, innit?
Yeah, you can fit in any space as well. Surprisingly nippy at overtaking things.
Should we find out? Oh, that's a bit naughty, innit, for a video. You've got your gizmo on board as well.
20 quid off a TikTok shop. Apparently there's a supercharger kit for it.
Oh, shut up, man.
No, apparently there is. There's stupid amounts of money though.
I'd never understood your caliber of people, bro, who would spend this much on a car that's this cheap.
I've got that sort of attachment to it.
Did you ever dream of getting one?
No.
It just fell into your life and now you fell in love.
I test drove one as a joke and I actually thought, oh, this drives fucking nice.
It does
They
drive
were giving
nice.
you the fucking looks.
Yeah, because they thought I was going to be a baddie, bro, but it was me. Norman's pissed, bro. Norman got blue balled. Look at me, bro, rolling in the 500. Did not think I'd be doing this in the morning. Yo, it's actually a fun car, bro. I'm not going to lie.
Because of how small it is, it feels like you're going tons quicker than you are as well.
These boys are on the graft as well. Oh, it handles so good.
Yeah.
This is hooking the road. It's hugging it, mate.
The £10 tyres.
What, is this why they get, like, dads buy this for their little girlies so they're all safe and sound?
They're not exactly a safe car if you crash them. You are the crumple zone.
That's true. The whole thing's just edged on the road. There's literally nothing around me. You're better off driving a motorbike. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty easy to drive. Handles good.
Oh yeah.
I don't know about the rain though. I just feel like it wouldn't be that good in the rain.
It's not terrible if you're not in first gear.
That's because it's so light though, innit? No, I like it. It surprised me, you're right. That's the first thing you said to me, that it was going to surprise me. Should I do a launch here? It's up to you.
Do it on a downhill, it'll fly.
About to launch the Fiat 500, boys. You ready, yeah? What's the 0 to 60 on there saying?
Best I've got is 10.
10 seconds?
Yes.
Hook's amazing. Drives good. Picked it up cheap. It's got a launch control. I hate to say it, but it's sounding like value for money.
You are really high up. See, in my mind, this is a Ferrari.
What, you think this is a derived Ferrari? Yeah.
Well, it's not. It's the city, but I call it the city version.
City Ferrari.
Yeah.
You know what, bro? Call it what you want, but it ain't that bad. And it's certainly not as bad as I thought. Oh, what are the chances of that? They look like little puppet show.
My thought is tyre.
What do you mean tyre? What? Tell you what, bro, it smells of a cherry bomb. See that, boys? Brakes are having a bit of a barbecue. Can you see it? Yo, bro, your brakes are vaping. What? And it looks like you got a pan roof as well from the outside. Yeah, I can see why the girlies are loving it. It stinks, doesn't it? We'll let the brakes cool off. And we're doing another no brakes video. We've already done one. No brakes, no brakes, no brakes.
It had an A4 reverse into me.
Oh, and that makes your premium go high as well. That's your proof, innit, boys? Insurance is a scam.
That's what universal credit's for.
Is that what you're on? You see?
Fuck no. I mean,
Bro said it with chest.
Yeah.
Wait, you JSL? Yeah. Job seekers. What is it?
Yeah, it's $316 a month.
Is that what you do for a job?
I buy and sell, or buy and flip like phones and shit.
Oh yeah.
So I buy them, if they're fucked, I'll fix them up, sell them for profit.
Fair enough. Full time.
Whenever I can find a good deal.
What you reckon to this job seekers thing? Should I hop on? I've got a spare bank account.
I mean, it's $316 a month.
I could do with that. Cover some of my costs on my temporary covers.
Say you got some disability, claim PIP, get a free JQ.
Get my China Rangy. They're gonna go on my page.
Quick.
POV JQ.
Like 5 seconds to 60 as well.
Yeah, that's
So
it.
it's not Tesla quick.
But it's quick. It's quick for what it is.
What it is, yeah.
What it is, what they charge.
£30,000 PIP car, yeah.
Motability, like, are doing 0 to 60 quicker than you with your launch. They're electric, innit?
Hybrid. If you complain about these, you get views.
Why? Do the girlies have some strong opinions towards the Fiat 500?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo, you got XP installed? Why is it? What's that for?
Microsoft, they do the Bluetooth phone system.
Yo, it actually sounds like the microwave. Bill Gates had something to do with the production of this Fiat 500. I like it though. Properly built. This is old school. It's very...
It's not built terribly. Will it? No, I don't understand it though, because for me personally, I've not had too many issues with it. Like I've just had like maintenance bits,
yeah,
so, like joints and suspension, so on and so forth. I had to have a strut replaced in the back.
Look, he's getting calmer, bro. He's getting calmer. He's probably been cycling in roads all day, and now look.
They take up all the road for no reason.
Man, they're such twats, man. Dressing up as in their little swimming costume.
I mean, you're not going to an OF shoot.
Yo, why does this guy keep pussying out?
And he can't drive.
Oh, check that scooter out. You reckon we'd get that? It'll be tight.
Yeah.
Yo, is this guy allergic to it? Oh. Go on, boss.
He's gonna whip out behind this one now.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Now I can't get in there. What's he doing? Oh, I actually hate this guy. This guy's such a twat.
Start doing what?
Yo, you can't do that in 2026. Yo, is he squaring up to me? Is he getting ready for a boxing fight? Wait, is he just stood there with his guard up? Is he just handing out boxes today?
Just hold it.
What, you reckon to these lovely little roads?
They're different to what I'm used to.
What you used to, the tighter ones?
Flat.
What, flat ground?
Just flat ground.
You're used to a Minecraft creative, innit?
Yeah.
Like with
It's a
all
super
flat,
flat
yeah,
world,
super flat world. Go on, go on. Passat is moving right about now.
Now for 32 miles an hour.
Oh, brakes are really good. About time, bro. It's getting sick of that guy, I'll be real.
So you know how the Tour de France exists, right?
Yeah.
They've got like a knockoff version of it.
What, in Great Yarmouth?
Yeah.
Tour de Yarmouth? What is it, some guys doing wheelies outside Tesco? Oh, we're about to hit our first gap. Bang. Oh, horses, horses.
I've flown past a horse accidentally, it didn't move, so.
I think it's all talk. Why is the horse going to be scared of an exhaust, bro? Has it not smelt its own dump? You know, it's because I'm in a Fiat 500, bro.
Jesus,
Any other car, I just get a dirty look. Nice weather for it, innit?
Yeah. Nice scenery as well.
You like my scenery?
It's nice scenery.
I film on the Windows XP background, mate.
Yeah.
Nice to be here in a Windows car.
Windows car with a Windows background.
Trust me, mate. And windows need to go up. There's a lot of wind coming through, innit?
Yeah.
But I can hear, so you can hear a lot of road noise in here. Part of the road, really. I'm liking your 500, mate. This is what all the fuss is about,
they're
then.
fun to rag about.
No, this is fun, I can't lie. The handle's very nice. The R-Bath is going to be sick, innit?
Yeah.
Yo, if anyone's got an R-Bath, bring it down, bro. Oh, you're going to get one soon anyway.
Hopefully.
I hope you get one. Well, no one's doing it like you, bro. No one's really elbow deleting in a
In a Fiat
500, mate, yeah. Right, is that the petrol tank? Yeah, anyway, guys, there's a Fiat 500. What do you reckon to the looks? You feeling it?
There's something about it.
Shut up, bro. What do you mean?
It looks.
You're one of them like shags the exhaust, innit? Yo, I can't lie. Why do old people? I thought they'd hate me because I'm wearing a handbag, but they actually rate me more.